Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy upgrade to your headlights here by swapping out the front marker lights on this 2018 or up Ford F-150 with some high-powered LED front marker lights from F150LEDs.com. These things are going to look great. They've got a little bit deeper of an amber to them, and of course they're going to be brighter as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the install and show you how to swap these out. We're going to be working here up behind the headlight. So to give us as much clearance as possible, the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and rotate our wheel all the way to the right. The next thing that we need to do is remove this plastic fender well here. So there's 4 bolts, one located here, one right above it here, and then there's 2 on the inside of this kind of fender well, located right here, and then one right here. Okay, so we're going to use a 7/32 socket, or if you got a wrench, just take these small bolts out. And then there's one little push pin tab right here where my finger is. You can just use a flathead screwdriver to pop that out. So we're going to go ahead and remove those bolts and then show you how to peel back this plastic layer to give us access to the headlight and that front marker light. Now that we've got those 4 small bolts removed and that push pin tab taken out, we'll be able to push this wheel well liner over the wheel, and that's going to give us access to our headlight and front marker and all the lights, including the fog light. So we're just going to go ahead and fold this over. So you can pop it out here, wheel well liner. With our wheel well liner removed, it's going to expose the back of our headlight housing here. Now it's a really tight shot for the camera, so it's hard to show you exactly where that side marker light is, but you're going to find it right below, well, really right between your high and low beam headlights. So you can reach around the middle of this headlight housing. You can also grab a hold of this kind of smaller strand of wire and just follow it and reach around, and then you're going to find this bulb holder that's for your side marker lights, and with a counterclockwise turn, it'll just simply pull directly out of your headlight housing. So what we've got here, this is our long side marker bulb holder, and then on the end is your OEM little round side marker light, so you can just kind of firmly grasp that and pull it directly out. Make sure the bulb's not hot before you do that, in case you've had your truck running or your side marker lights have been on. So now we're going to replace that little dim and dingy bulb with our MK2 series amber LED. Now you'll notice it's got onboard resistance as well as all of our amber LEDs and our thick wedge-based system. So that's going to ensure a really tight fitment in this housing and protect the bulb from shocks and vibrations and that kind of thing. So we've got it inserted all the way. So now you can just simply reach back around your headlight housing, find that open hole, get it inserted all the way in and firmly turn clockwise. You'll feel it lock back into place. So that's all there is to upgrading your front marker lights with some high-powered LEDs from F150LEDs.com. The bulbs are very bright and they've got a great deep amber hue to them, so they're going to look great on the truck. It's hard to capture that in the video, but we're sure you're going to be pleased. You can check out all of our custom LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150 at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.